Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm in East Lake Tahoe, Pecaliga because the folks at boats2go.com allow me to use this boat for review. This is the MRF330 Inflatable Raft. It's a flat bottom and right now I got the motor warming up as I speak. I'm gonna take it out to the lake and see how it does. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and head out. We're moving right along with a 6 horsepower. That is very nice. Yeah. Moving very nice. Well, as you guys saw, I managed to get into plane, so that is fantastic for this little boat. For a flat bottom one, that's not bad. All right, so I want you guys to see the full real estate of this little boat. Plenty of space. You could probably fit 4 people in here. It's very nice. I like it. I like it so far. So I think it is time to take the drone out and let you guys see it from the air. Let's do that.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
That was fun. I gotta be honest, I didn't think I was gonna be able to make the boat go into plane because this is an inflatable raft with a flat bottom, mainly used for trolling around the lake or river, but with a 6 horsepower, as you guys can see, you can actually get into plane. So that's very nice. I like this boat. It's very lightweight, very easy to get into the water, so it's not bad at all. Well guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and it will help you make a choice of which inflatable boat you want to get. You want to be an inflatable raft, inflatable boat, inflatable boat, because boats2go.com has a large selection of them. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.